Hi friends, in this video we will discuss about how to take your WordPress website or WordPress blog backup locally. So guys, first you have to log on to your WordPress dashboard and then you have to go to the plugins and you have to click on the add new. Here you have to install one WordPress plugin which is called as Dropped Plus. Yes, this is Updraft WordPress backup plugin. Just you have to click the install now. It is the very popular WordPress backup plugin. You can observe around 3 plus million active installations for this. So just you have to click the activate. So after that you have to go to the Updraft Plus. Okay. So your Updraft Plus backups. Yeah, you have to go to settings and then Updraft Plus backups. Just click on that. There very simple process to take the backup. Here just will be one button backup now. Just you have to click the backup now. Show and here one will here you have to include a database in backups, include your files in backup. If you want to take only database, then uncheck this mark, or if you want to take only files, then you have to uncheck this one. And if you want to delete this backup manually, so then you have to check more this one. I only allow this backup to delete it manually. Okay, I'm putting this one empty. So just click the backup now. It will take some time to take the backup and it will store locally. So after finishing the process you can download the backup files to your computer and you can store in your cloud storage like I Google Drive or OneDrive, or you can store it into your pen drive or whatever memory storage you are using. Yeah, existing backups. Here you have to click the just database and plugins, themes, uploads, and others. So all there around 5 folders will be there. So you have to just click on the database to download the database. See here download to your computer. Just click on that. See here the file is downloaded. So like that, you have to download the plugins, themes, uploads, and others. So once you complete, after completing the downloading of all these files, you have to store these files securely uh, at your secured location. And then when you need the restore, okay. So when you need restore, you have to come to here and just click the this button restore. Okay, so the backup date is the June 12, 2023, 6:54. When you restore, the data will be restored from this date. Okay. Next, if you want to manually upload the files to the backup, then here we have a more tasks upload backup files. Okay, here just you have to click the upload backup files, and here you have to upload the all the files which you have with you. That is, so what your files you have downloaded today, those files you can upload to edit tomorrow whenever you need restore, then you can click the single button to restore from that particular backup. Okay guys, I hope this particular tutorial will help you to take the backup and restore your WordPress website. Guys, this is the process to take the backup from the WordPress dashboard. Okay, we can also take the backup completely out of the WordPress dashboard also. Like you have to log into your file manager and then you have to zip the files of your file manager and you have to download those files and you have to log onto your PHP admin and you have to download the database file. That is the one process, and this is the simple process. So whatever today I shared is the that one is the somewhat simple process. So okay, so we will cover that part also in the another video. I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.